Hello and welcome to another update video about RNDR. Yeah, RNDR is not a coin I cover too often on YouTube. It is a coin that I'm covering in our membership more frequently for our gold members. Sometimes there are member-only videos, but I believe it's time for another update here for everybody because the market is quiet and the altcoin sector is slow and there's no point in repeating every day the same stuff. So it's time for a bit of a change. So we'll take a look at RNDR, but also here, I mean, overall, nothing has changed, but obviously the microstructure is what many of you are interested in. The support area here between 155 and 358, I mean, that hasn't changed in a very long time. The price reacted to it in August. We've moved away from it, not in an impulsive way. The current idea is that we're moving up in wave 5, which could lead to a bull market top. That would be pretty much in line with Bitcoin, okay? And the overall idea is that this fifth wave is an A, B, C structure. Now, current idea would be A, B, C in wave A, then a B wave pullback and a C wave up. This would be ideal. I cannot rule out that wave B is already being worked on. So there are two pathways. In the one that I actually prefer, wave A forms one more high before we start wave B and then go higher. But there is another pathway which is highlighted here in blue, in which that B wave is already unfolding, and both are plausible, to be honest. And it might take the blue pathway, in which we are testing the lower support region before we go higher. And then obviously it's all about how do we get there. So I have added some weak micro support to the chart, which is located between $8.10 and $9.06. Why do I call it weak micro support? Because the rally from the last low was only in 3 waves. What I see as a potential, let's say the blue count, that A wave already topped, then this was an A wave down of the larger B wave pullback, which should find support between 739 and 449. And in this B wave, we have an ABC structure. So the A wave is already done. The B wave could be unfolding now as an ABC before we go down lower in wave C. This is something to watch for. Okay, if the bulls turn up and we form another high, then this would be the 5th wave I'm watching for. But it's a weak support area because, even if it's the blue count, that B might have topped already. There's no way of saying which one it is. It's I would say, very balanced probabilities, and we're working on let's say the chaos. We're working on the messiness of a B wave. Yeah? B wave or 5th wave or 4th wave. It's just these are very chaotic structures anyway. The move up from the November low is anyway super messy. So it's not very clean structure. So just be on the side of caution here. I think the levels are all clear. If you want to trade for direct further upside, I mean, that upper micro support area might provide some reference, some guidance, but I don't have much trust it will hold. I mean, I have it on the chart because I'm watching if the bulls are turning up there, but it's really not more than that. Had the rally from that recent low, from the December low, been a 5-wave move, it would be more clear. But it's only a 3-wave move. So it's a slow market at the moment for altcoins. I'm sure they will get their time again. For now, it's just consolidation mode, unfortunately. So levels should be clear. Overall, still a bullish outlook. Short term, question is, are we pushing a little higher before we start that B wave? I'd expect that B wave anyway. So that sooner or later, the only question is, do we push a little bit higher before that one starts that pullback? And only a close observation of the microstructure on the daily basis will help us navigate this. That's the update about RNDR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.